In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down field to your form. This process is simple and will enhance your form by providing a structured way for users to select from predefined options. Let's get started and walk through each step together. First, you'll want to navigate to the interface where your form resides. Locate the form you wish to edit, or if you're starting from scratch, open a new form. Forms are incredibly versatile tools, allowing you to collect a wide array of information efficiently and effectively. Now, to enrich user interaction, adding a drop-down menu is a great choice when you want to give users a set of specific options to choose from. Once you have your form open, look for the option to add a new field. This might be labeled as Add Field, Insert Field, or something similar depending on the platform you're using. Now, among the selection of new fields, you'll find one called Dropdown. Click on it to add this field to your form. After you've added the drop-down field, it's time to customize it by entering the options you want to offer. Consider what selections will be most beneficial for the data you need to collect. Keep in mind that having clear, distinct options helps prevent any confusion your users might have while filling out the form. Click on the newly added drop-down field to bring up the settings or configuration options. In this settings area, you'll see a place to enter each choice you want to provide. Simply type each option into the designated areas. As you do this, think about the most logical order for these options to appear, making it intuitive for users to find exactly what they're looking for. You can also use this opportunity to ensure that the wording of each option is clear and concise, which will make the form much easier to navigate and fill out for your users. Once you've finished entering all the necessary options, review them to make sure there are no typos or errors and that they meet your form's requirements. Double-checking this part is crucial, as it will save you time and minimize any potential confusion for those filling out the form. Finally, after you're satisfied with your drop-down options, make sure to save your changes. This might seem like a small step, but it's important to hit save to ensure that all your hard work in customizing the form is not lost. You wouldn't want to lose any of this crucial information you've added. And there you have it. Your form now has a drop-down field with all the options you carefully selected. This enhancement should make data collection more straightforward and your form much more user-friendly. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and I hope it makes your form building process much smoother.